Number 1.
1992 Chevrolet S10, price $3,950. This classic truck features a straight and solid body with original paint, a 4.3L V6 engine, and a 5-speed manual transmission. It also includes power steering, power brakes, a CD player, and a tilt steering wheel. The truck has been lowered with cut coils in the front and 3-inch blocks in the rear, and it rides on 15x7 and 15x8 Corvette rally wheels with Cooper tires. Recent maintenance includes a new idler arm, new motor mounts, and a fresh oil change. While the truck runs and drives well, it does have some cosmetic issues, including a cracked windshield, a torn seat, and a missing headliner.
Number 2.
1976 Chevrolet C20, price $3,000. This classic truck features a 350 small block crate engine, an automatic transmission, and a striking blue exterior paired with a black interior. The interior has been refreshed with a refurbished dash, new black carpet, and fresh seat covers. While the original driver's seat has a tier, the truck boasts a new alternator, battery, and motor. Additional upgrades include a refurbished dash, fresh bed and trim paint, and a new radio. Despite a cracked windshield and the absence of a headliner, the C20 comes with a clean title.
Number 3.
1977 Chevrolet Crew Cab Dually, price $9,500. Powered by a 454 cubic inch engine, is up for sale. This classic truck features an orange exterior, a tan interior, and has been modified with bolt-on performance parts. Equipped with an overdrive transmission for smooth cruising and lowered towing bags for a custom look, this truck is ready for work or play. It also includes a truck cap and is equipped with air conditioning, heat, and LED lights.
Number 4.
1978 Chevrolet Classic, price $8,500. The truck features a rebuilt 350 cubic inch engine with an unknown mileage, paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in black, while the interior, also black, requires some attention. The rear end is equipped with a Posey traction differential. The carburetor needs adjustment as it tends to choke when shifting into overdrive, and the brakes are described as being very sensitive. Air conditioning is not available.
Number 5.
1977 Chevrolet K10, price $9,500, with a 4-inch lift kit, 35-inch tires, and a 400 cubic inch small block Chevy engine, is up for sale. This truck has approximately 93,000 miles on both the chassis and the engine. It features an orange exterior and a decent interior with some minor wear on the driver's seat. While there is some surface rust due to being stored in Tahoe for 4 years, this truck is a solid candidate for a restoration or off-road project. Trades for a muscle car are considered.
Number 6.
1978 Chevrolet Scottsdale, price $10,000. This classic truck that has been lovingly cared for. Featuring a blue exterior and interior, this rear-wheel drive vehicle exudes timeless style. The 75,000-mile odometer reading is a testament to its low mileage and well-maintained condition. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it offers a smooth and comfortable driving experience.
Number 7.
1978 Chevrolet K10, price $5,000, with approximately 50,000 miles on the odometer. The burgundy exterior, paired with a manual transmission, gives it a classic look and feel. It has recently passed inspection and has undergone several upgrades, making it a reliable daily driver or a great project vehicle. While it does have some minor dents consistent with its age, the overall condition is very good.
Number 8.
1969 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, with a factory-installed air conditioning system, is up for grabs. This classic truck has accumulated 158,000 miles and features a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. While the truck is currently undergoing brake repairs and is not yet roadworthy, it runs and drives. The body shows signs of rust, but the frame is in good condition. Original features include a green exterior and a black interior.
Number 9.
1969 Chevrolet C10, price $8,000, with a timeless green paint job. Equipped with a 350 engine, a 3-speed manual transmission, and 22-inch wheels with nearly new tires, this classic offers a great blend of style and performance. The truck features a cowl hood and tinted windows, adding to its distinctive look.
Number 10.
1968 Chevrolet C10, price $9,000. This classic truck features a red exterior, a black interior, and a powerful 350 cubic inch engine sourced from an Iroxy Camaro. The engine is paired with a 350 transmission and equipped with an Edelbrock 1411 carburetor with an electric choke. While the truck runs and drives, it has been sitting for 2 years and may require some mechanical attention before being roadworthy. A trailer is recommended for transportation.
Number 11.
1989 Chevrolet 3500, price $7,500, with a powerful 454 engine and automatic transmission is available. This classic truck features a black exterior, a gray interior, and a solid body with no rust. While the truck runs and shifts smoothly, it requires some minor attention, including a steering box repair, seat reupholstering, and AC recharge. The truck has recently been upgraded with new tires, a grille, carpet, lights, front brakes and calipers, belts, and a distributor.
Number 12.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, with over 365,000 miles on the odometer. This red 4x4 has proven its durability. The engine has been rebuilt with a double roller timing chain and a performance cam, and it's paired with a new exhaust system for improved sound and performance. The truck also features a new suspension system, including a sport steering box and a new steering shaft. While the interior shows some wear, including a cracked dash and worn door panels, the exterior paint is faded. Despite these cosmetic flaws, this truck is a reliable and fun vehicle that's ready for your next adventure.
Number 13.
1985 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,700. Powered by a 5.0L 305 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, the truck offers a smooth and reliable driving experience. The blue interior, equipped with a functional radio, power locks, and power windows, provides a comfortable cabin. Recent maintenance, including a fresh oil change and new spark plugs, ensures optimal performance. All lights and electrical components work flawlessly, a rarity in older vehicles. The truck starts easily, idles smoothly, and is ready to hit the road.
Number 14.
1982 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,500. With a low mileage of 92,000 miles, this truck has been exceptionally well maintained. The original brown paint and interior are in excellent condition, showcasing its untouched nature. Equipped with a diesel engine and a manual transmission, this truck offers a classic driving experience.
Number 15.
1990 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,000. This truck boasts a recently rebuilt 350 V8 engine with an Edelbrock intake, HEI distributor, and 600 CFM carburetor. The truck features a 700 R4 transmission and a 14-bolt rear end. The body is mostly rust-free and has a fresh coat of red paint. The interior is original and in good condition. The truck has been recently serviced and is ready to hit the road.
Number 16.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,100. With a rust-free body and a clean Texas title, it's a great starting point for a project vehicle. Powered by a 350 TBI engine mated to a 350 TH automatic transmission, the truck has the potential for excellent performance. While the current engine is locked, the seller includes an additional engine to choose from. The truck also comes with a set of shaved door handles for a custom look. With a little work, this classic truck can be transformed into a unique and eye-catching ride.
Number 17.
1979 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, price $9,800, featuring its original brown paint. This vehicle is powered by a 5.7L engine paired with an automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and reliable performance. The interior has been completely refreshed, and it comes equipped with modern conveniences such as power windows, power wipers, and a high-quality sound system. The truck handles highway speeds effortlessly, reaching up to 75 miles per hour with ease. It also includes a new dual-door toolbox and comes with a clean Texas title.
Number 18.
1969 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, price $7,500. It has 76,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a 350 block engine. The truck features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and is fueled by gasoline. The exterior is finished in black, matching the black interior. The vehicle runs and idles smoothly, with all windows and vents in working condition. The interior is clean and well maintained. Recent upgrades include a replacement power steering pump and all associated lines, as well as new valve cover gaskets. It also comes with a set of stock wheels and tires in like new condition. The truck is equipped with a working radio and speakers, adding to its functionality and comfort.
Number 19.
1968 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, featuring a newly rebuilt 350 V8 fuel-injected engine paired with an automatic transmission. With only 400 miles driven since the rebuild, it boasts a powerful performance, complemented by a new exhaust system installed in 2022. The truck's black exterior contrasts beautifully with the red interior, which includes a reupholstered black and red bench seat. Key features include power brakes, a fuel-efficient gasoline engine, and an automatic transmission.
Number 20.
1979 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, price $5,500. This truck has an original engine and transmission that runs and drives well, with good tires and minimal typical rust for its age. The interior, featuring a matching gray color to the exterior, is in good condition. With just 53,000 miles on the odometer, this automatic transmission truck is powered by a gasoline engine and offers classic reliability.
Number 21.
1975 Chevrolet C10, price $9,000. With an LT1 Corvette engine swap, it has traveled 75,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The truck is painted in sleek black with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. Additional highlights include 26-inch rims, a new pinstripe design, and several other custom upgrades.
Number 22.
1976 Chevrolet Silverado 3500, price $7,000. This is a classic truck with 100,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission, a clean white exterior paired with a brown interior, and runs on gasoline. Powered by a 262 CUN, 4.3L V6 engine, this vehicle is an ideal choice for those who appreciate durability and style in a classic pickup.
Number 23.
1970 Chevrolet C10, price $8,000, with only 74,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission, a 350 engine paired with a 350 transmission, and runs great. The exterior is painted in a classic brown color, while the interior is finished in gold. The truck runs on gasoline and is equipped with power brakes and power steering for added comfort. Although it originally came with air conditioning, the AC is not currently working. The gas tank has been relocated to the bed by the previous owner. The truck also features headers and a Flowmaster exhaust system, delivering a smooth and powerful performance. The title is clean and the vehicle is currently listed as non-operational.
Number 24.
1976 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, price $8,150. It has been driven for 100,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The exterior is painted in a vibrant red color, while the interior features a tan finish. This vehicle runs on gasoline. This truck is an original short bed model and has undergone several recent upgrades, including a new oil pump, timing chain, and resealed engine. It also comes with new tires, shocks, calipers, hoses, rear brake pads, and cylinders. Additionally, the passenger side fender has been replaced, and the interior has been thoroughly cleaned.
Number 25.
1977 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. This is a classic pickup truck that has already covered 90,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Its striking exterior is painted in sleek black, complemented by a warm brown interior, offering a blend of vintage appeal and understated sophistication. Under the hood, this project car is powered by a 305 cubic inch, 5.0-liter V8 engine, delivering the robust performance typical of this iconic era. While the vehicle is operational, it is considered a project car, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts looking to restore or customize a piece of automotive history.
Number 26.
1987 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, price $8,000, with a mileage of 115,000 miles, featuring a brown exterior and a gold interior. It is equipped with a 350 fuel injection engine and a 700 R4 automatic transmission, running on gasoline. This solid California truck runs and drives well, with new fuel pumps and sending units installed in both tanks. Additionally, it comes with brand new 33 by 12.50 Toyo open country tires. While it has a small rust spot on the passenger side cab corner, the truck remains in great condition overall. The title is clean and clear, registered under the seller's name. Trade offers for regular cab short bed Chevy 2WD trucks may be considered.
Number 27.
1986 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,800. This is a classic pickup with a 6.0 LS engine swap and numerous new parts installed, ensuring excellent performance. It features a sleek black exterior paired with a stylish blue interior, and the truck has been driven only 87,000 miles. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this well-maintained vehicle runs great and is ready for its next owner after a previous buyer did not follow through.
Number 28.
1978 Chevrolet K10, price $6,200, features a 250 cubic inch, 4.1L, inline-6 engine and has a mileage of 80,000 miles. It comes with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in gray, while the interior is green. The owner is open to trading for other vehicles. Key features include a well-maintained engine, smooth transmission, and classic color combination.
Number 29.
1978 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, price $8,000. This is a well-maintained truck with key features including 100,000 miles on the odometer, an automatic transmission, and a gray exterior and interior. Powered by a 350 SBC engine paired with a new 700R4 transmission, this truck has been lowered 5/7 using drop spindles, springs, and a rear flip kit. It features 20 by 8.5 and 20 by 10 wheels with brand new tires, a rear disc brake conversion, and upgraded, larger front brakes. Inside, the truck is equipped with new vintage gauges, a tonneau cover, and a 6-speaker stereo system with a Bluetooth head unit. The interior also boasts new carpet and sound deadening, while the cab has been repainted, though additional paint for the exterior is available but not yet applied. The engine runs and drives well, with the motor still in the process of breaking in and the carburetor needing fine-tuning. The truck does require new door window seals and some finishing touches to make it an excellent ride.
Number 30.
1978 Chevrolet 3500, price $6,700. This truck has 120,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and runs on gasoline. Its exterior and interior are both red. Features a 350 SBC engine, SM465 4-speed manual transmission, and NP205 transfer case. The truck has a clean Colorado title, though the front fenders are rusted while the rest is in good condition. The previous owner attempted to convert it to automatic, but the current owner restored the manual transmission. It experiences occasional death wobble in the power steering lines, but it's a solid truck overall.